Hello guys, so welcome to our next session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss how to configure your Gmail SMTP server with your Jenkins. And once we will set up this server, it will definitely very helpful in order to send the failed build or past build or the repos to the various people from a mail ID. So this is one of the important, task which actually we achieve through the Jenkins. So let me actually start with the session here. So the very first thing is when you are trying to configure a Gmail ID. So the very first thing required is a Gmail ID. Okay. So I think I have already have, and I think I hope that you guys already having the Gmail ID. If not, you can create from the gmail.com. It's very easy to create. Okay. So once we have this Gmail ID, so let me, just paste my Gmail ID here. All right. So now the next thing is we have to set up a two-step verification on your machine. So how to set up this two-step verification? So we have to go to myaccount.google.com. So once you will open this website, you have to go to the security. So in the security side, you have to just open the two-step verification, as I have already enabled it. But if you guys haven't enabled it, no problem. Just click on this two-step verification and it will ask you for your password. Then it will ask you for your 6-digit mobile code, and then after it will send you one notification, and then after you can just turn it on. There is a radio button which you have to click, and then your two-step verification will be turned on. So once it is turned on, then only we can send mails from the any of the different apps outside from the Gmail server. Okay. So once you have done it, then we are going to open this two-step verification tab, and in the last of this particular page, actually there will be an app password page. So this app password page we are going to open, and on this page we are going to select the other custom and just provide device name as the app name as the Jenkins, suppose. And just you can give any of the custom name. There is nothing like we have to mention Jenkins only. So here I will click on the generate, and it will provide me this particular password. So once we will have this password, we are going to set up, just save this password here. All right. So now the next thing is we have the SMTP server for Gmail is smtp.gmail.com. So this is the SMTP server name for the Gmail, and the port which we are going to use it 465. So now we are going to open our Jenkins dashboard, and we are going to click on the manage Jenkins, and we are going to click on the system configuration. So in the system configuration, we have an email notification plugin. So once you will move in the last of the portal, I'm going to say this page, then here you have to set up this SMTP server. So this SMTP server we are going to set up here, and we will click on the advanced. Just click on use SMTP authentication. Just provide your email ID here, and in the password you have to provide this app password which you have generated. Just click on the SSL and just provide the port name as 465. So these are the settings which we need, and just click on test configuration by sending email and provide the same email ID which actually we are trying to test. So once we will do that, I will click on the test configuration part, and then it will send a mail to my mail ID. Let's wait for a moment, please. One moment, there is some problem. So smtp@gmail.com here. All right, we have set the URL. Oh, 465. The port is 465. I'm sorry, I just wasted. Yes, the port is 465. So I will just again go for the test configuration, and Yes, so the email was sent successfully. So if you will look at here, there is an email sent, from the Jenkins, and you will receive this type of email. Yeah, so I think with this process, you can easily set up your, um, the Gmail configuration with your Jenkins, and then after, I think we can easily, trigger the mails from the Jenkins job. So in our next sessions, we are going to discuss about it, and definitely we are going to send our, build fail results, pass result to various mail IDs. Okay, so let's see you in the next sessions. Thank you very much for joining. All right.